Hey, welcome back to Crumbs. Today we're going to show you everything that there is on the screen for the Casio F91W. It's fairly small screen, so I hope you can see okay. But we can start from the buttons. We have a top left button that mentions light, and that actually activates the light. If we press it, you would see a light, but it's hard to see. I can actually show you from the side a little bit. Then we have the bottom left, which is mode, the bottom right, which is on, off, start, 24, and so on. You can see Casio F91W, alarm, chronograph, water resistant, and so on. On the bottom of it, you can see basically where the battery would go and some specs from it and the strap itself. But let's go back to the watch itself. So here on the screen, we can see there's this little icon on the top left. That is the alarm being on. It will basically buzz when the alarm is on. Then we have the next one, which is a little bell. That bell usually is that every hour it'll beep, so a little beep beep. Then we see the day of the week, so it's Monday. The day of the month, which is 29. Then the hour, it's 5 minutes, 29 seconds, 55, 56, and it's on 24 hours. To change the 24 hours to non-24 hours, we just have to press one time. As you see, the icon disappeared. Then if we go to the next screen, which is alarm, we press on the bottom left. We can see those icons, an alarm, and the time. If we want to turn on and off the alarm, bottom left, bottom right, we press, and you can see it goes, and we can cycle through the different versions. Then we go to the stopwatch. So let's go to stopwatch, and here we can start it, and if we stop it or do lap, it'll say lap on the screen, and if we stop it all the way and then clear it, it'll show a time, and now we can continue to the next one. And that's all there is on the screen. If we click 3 times, it'll blink, which means you're into setting the time, or you can click out. So that's all you get to see on the screen of the Casio F91W. I hope that was useful. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.